Unit 6. C. Dialog. Dinner on the grass. Step 1. Cover the dialogue and listen.
Do you need help with dinner?
No, thanks. Everything's ready.
Great. Are we having chicken?
No, I made steak.
Any vegetables?
Yes, lettuce and tomato salad. Did you pick up some bread at the bakery?
Yes. And lemon cheesecake.
Lemon cheesecake. That sounds interesting.
I tasted it. It's delicious.
Let's eat in the backyard, okay?
Good idea. It's really pretty this evening.
Can you get plates and napkins?
Okay, I'll be back in a minute. Should we sit on this seat?
Let's sit on this blanket on the grass.
It smells delicious. I can't wait to eat. Uh-oh. Did you feel that? I think it's beginning to rain.
It figures. Can you help me bring everything back in?